Hi everyone, how are you? I hope that you will be good. So let us practice in this class on advanced structure. That's why. That's why means इसलिए. That's why means इसलिए. That's why plus sentences. That's why plus sentences. According to your tense, you can apply your sentence. Okay. So let us practice on the basis of present indefinite tense. Okay. I will speak structure and we will try to translate. Okay. Subject, that's why plus subject plus V1 plus S oblique S plus object. This is your structure for singular subject. It means he, she, it and your singular noun will come, then we will apply subject plus V1 plus S oblique S plus object. So, okay. So my dear student, I will speak Hindi sentences and we will try to translate on the basis of this structure. Okay. इसीलिए वो खाना खाती है.
That's why she eats food.
Yeah, that's why she eats food. इसीलिए वो स्कूल जाती है.
That's why she goes to school.
Yeah, that's why she goes to school. इसीलिए वो किताब पढ़ती है.
That's why she reads food.
इसीलिए वो खाना बनाती है.
That's why she cooks food.
Okay, my dears, we will take our second advanced structure means that's why plus subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, this is our structure for plural subject means I, we, they and you will come and plural noun will come. So we will apply subject plus V1 plus object. So let us practice on the basis of this structure. Okay. इसीलिए मैं अंग्रेजी सीखता हूँ.
That's why I learn English.
इसीलिए मैं ब्राइट कॉल जाता हूँ.
That's why I go to bright call.
इसीलिए मैं खाना खाता हूँ.
That's why I eat food.
इसीलिए मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ.
That's why I write a letter.
Okay, very good, my dear. We will take our another advanced structure. No, you will take our another just structure and for negative. This was your for singular subject and I will speak after it negative sentence. Okay, affirmative sentence, that was structure and this is for the negative sentence. Okay, subject, that's why plus subject plus do oblique does plus not plus B1 plus object. Okay, my dears, do you know does not we will apply for singular subject. It means he, she, it and name will come, then we will apply does not. Okay, and do not for the plural subject. Okay, I, we, they and you and plural subject will noun will come, then we will apply do not. Okay, so this is our structure. That's why plus subject plus do oblique does plus not plus B1 plus objects. Okay, so I will speak some Hindi sentences and we will try to translate into English. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, इसीलिए मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ.
That's why I don't eat vegetables.
इसीलिए मैं खाना नहीं खाता हूँ.
That's why I don't eat food.
इसीलिए वो खाना नहीं खाती है.
That's why she does not eat food.
इसीलिए वो हिंदी नहीं बोलती है.
That's why she doesn't speak English.
इसीलिए वो खाना नहीं बनाती है.
That's why she doesn't cook food.
इसीलिए हम लोग वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं.
That's why we don't live there.
इसीलिए हम लोग पत्र नहीं लिखते हैं.
That's why we don't write a letter.
इसीलिए वे लोग बात नहीं करते.
That's why they don't talk.
Yeah, that's why they don't talk. So this is our structure for present tense. Okay, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. So let us practice our another tense, past tense. Okay, that's why plus past tense. Past tense means for affirmative sentence subject plus B2. B2 means second form of the verb. Okay, so this is our structure. That's why plus subject plus B2 plus object. इसीलिए वह स्कूल गई.
That's why she went to school.
इसीलिए वह खाना खाई.
That's why she ate food.
इसलिए वह किताब पढ़ी.
That's why she read book.
Yeah, that's why she read book. Okay, this was structure for your affirmative sentence. Okay, so we will practice after it negative sentence. Okay, so this is our structure. That's why plus subject plus did not plus B1 plus object. इसीलिए मैं वहाँ नहीं गया.
That's why I did not go there.
Yeah, that's why I did not
Go there.
इसलिए मैं उससे बात नहीं किया.
That's why I did not talk to him.
या इसलिए मैं खाना नहीं खाया.
That's why I did not eat food.
इसलिए मैं पत्र नहीं लिखा.
That's why I did not write a letter.
इसीलिए मैं उससे बात नहीं किया.
That's why I did not talk to him.
Yes, very good. After it we will practice on the basis of future tense. Okay, so what is our structure for future tense? That's why plus subject plus will plus B1 plus object. Okay, so are you ready for practice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear, I will speak Hindi and you will speak English. Okay, means इसीलिए मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा.
That's why I will go there.
इसलिए मैं अंग्रेजी बोलूँगा.
That's why I will speak English.
इसीलिए मैं खाना खाऊँगा.
That's why I will eat food.
इसीलिए मैं किताब पढ़ूँगा.
That's why I will read
Yes, very good. This is our structure for affirmative sentence. So let us practice for our negative sentence. So what is our structure for negative sentence? That's why plus will, subject plus will plus not plus V1 plus object. So this is our structure for negative sentence of future indefinite tense. So my dear students, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So now let us practice on the basis of negative sentence. इसीलिए मैं उससे बात नहीं करूँगा.
That's why I will not talk to him.
इसलिए मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा.
That's why I will not eat food.
इसलिए मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊंगा.
That's why I will not go there.
इसलिए मैं हिंदी नहीं बोलूंगा.
That's why I will not listen English.
इसलिए वो किताब पढ़ेगी.
That's why he will read book.
इसलिए हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे.
That's why we will go there.
इसलिए हम लोग खाना बनाएंगे.
That's why we will cook food.
Yeah, that's why we will
Cook
cook
food.
food. Okay, so let us practice once more. Means you will revise. That's why plus sentences means present indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and our second structure that's why plus past indefinite tense, affirmative structure and negative structure, and that's why plus future indefinite tense, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. So thank you too much for watching this video, and please don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.